Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a new vendor to your FreshBooks account. So this is going to become particularly useful just so that you don't have to always manually add new vendors every time it comes to setting up estimates or proposals, for example. And so with that, make sure to follow this step-by-step tutorial in order to learn how to add a new vendor to your FreshBooks account. So first, what we're going to do is log onto our FreshBooks account, which looks like this right here. And then under Payments, you're going to go ahead and click on Payments. And then under expenses, you're actually going to go ahead and click on expenses, and you're going to get it to toggle down so it looks like this right here. And so next you're going to click on vendors. So now on this page, what you're going to do next is click on new vendor on the upper right hand corner. And so this is where you're going to fill out all the new vendor information. So you could actually say the company name, we'll say John Doe, first name John Doe, account number, email address, website, phone number, you get the gist. So just fill out all the information here. And then from there, you're just going to click on save. Now we've added a new vendor, so we can actually view that vendor. And so from this vendor, you can see our overview with them as far as the total outstanding, as far as which bills are still to be paid by them. And with that, you could actually see a list of all the bills from John Doe Co. as well. So that in essence is actually how to add a new vendor to your FreshBooks account. If you know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.